Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Raffy from SolarSolutions, one of the co-founders. And this is our project, the Solar Sari-Sari Store. So, one of the great things about solar is that wherever the sun shines, as long as you have the right equipment and the right opportunity, you have the opportunity to harness this energy for personal or economic benefits. We all know this. Now, there are about 32,000 sitios across the Philippines without electricity. Great news, the sun shines on every one of them. And here are some stories from some of those sitios. Though the names may change, the stories are the same. There's Jay, who lives in Baseco, Manila. He needs light inside his house because even during the day, his house is dark. There's Marie, who lives in an island in Culion, and she wants to make sure that the water her children drink is clean. And there's Mark, who lives in a remote area in Iloilo. He communicates with his relatives constantly, but he has to walk about an hour just to charge his mobile phone. So what is our solution to that? The Solar Sari-Sari Store. It's basically an energy station that addresses each needs and more. It provides two things, access and opportunity. Here are the four basic services: lighting, mobile charging, water, and refrigeration. And opportunity, business opportunities for the organizations or the individuals we partner with in each community, and jobs for the people who work in our energy stations. So what's the idea? Basically, we implement these energy stations across each community and barangay, provide the right solutions with the right context. Each and every location has its own considerations. Do it at a price that's economically feasible. Some stations are harder to reach than others. And make it so that it's easy to duplicate and scalable. So we've been busy, actually. Solar Sari-Sari Store is the fourth version of our station. There's 1, 2, and 3. Version 1, version 2, both are lighting stations. These are deployed in Smoky Mountain. Version 3, we just opened this October. It's a lighting and mobile charging station. And version 4, actually is version 3.5, is basically an agnostic, physically agnostic station. So there's no physical structure. We partnered with a local community volunteers, and we asked them, we used their house, and we used them as the model for deploying the solution. We're looking at little or no battery use because this is really the biggest, one of the biggest, aside from the physical structure, there's the battery use, which is one of the biggest expenses when deploying a energy station. And it's multiple solutions. So if I go back to this one, each and every sitio will have its own unique needs. So we customize the solution of the station based on what's needed in that location. So how do we make money? 4 ways: system deployment and support. We basically sell the system to an organization and charge them for technical support and upfront costs. It's a managed station. We run the station for you, or we run the station ourselves and make revenues off the products and services. Examples: lighting, 5 pesos a day, 250 daily customers, 35,000 a month. Water distribution, 20 for a 5-gallon container, 10 customers, 6,000 a month. Mobile charging, if we have 20 daily customers, 5 pesos per charge, 3,000 per month. So who is the team behind it? We're SolarSolutions. We're focused on community-based energy systems. We're proud of our community building technical excellence. We have ties with university for R&D, and we're an all-Filipino group. Since 2011, we've done over 200 commercial disaster relief and community-based solar energy installations, 140 kilowatts of power, over 9,000 households. One of the highlights of our work was work with Yolanda relief operations. We did solar water stations, mobile charging stations, and lighting systems. So basically, we work with a lot of partner organizations to deploy our stations. So this is our SolarSolutions, and here are examples of partner organizations. Through the partner organizations, we deploy either in our own station, at local communities, or at, let's say, barangay, depending on what the need of the community is. So 500,000 basically will allow us to develop and deploy our pilot Gen 4 station, and provide us enough working capital to work out the logistics and the R&D for all the products that we need to develop inside the station. So basically, that's your Solar Sari-Sari Store, access and opportunity.